investment management industry really, I see, has two functions. The first allocates capital to companies in terms to grow and finding the best company source of that capital. And the second one is giving a return for those who give us the capital, ultimately the clients. Mums and dads, pension funds, institutions. If you think about the investment management industry, it's at the heart of everything we do in terms of economic growth, in terms of social growth, in terms of trying to deliver for people, get their future and resolve and position themselves for retirement or for other investments that they want to make. We are so critical to the success of everything that happens in any economic or any country. That's why to me it's so important, but it's also why it's so much fun, because we can see in clients the success that we deliver, what it means to them, enabling someone to go buy a new car, getting their kids through school, enable them to have a retirement to live the life that they've wanted to or aspired to. We make that happen. That's a really, really exciting thing to do.